In this video, let's take a quick look at the social signals that are now being displayed inside of your detailed keyword analysis. So if you go into any one of these keywords to take a closer look, you'll see all of the metrics that we've already discussed in the previous videos, and you'll also see columns for Facebook likes, Facebook shares, tweets, and Google plus ones. And well, I guess they explain themselves pretty much. These numbers represent how many people have clicked a Facebook like button for each of these pages, how many people have actually shared the link to this page on their Facebook wall, how many people have tweeted about it, and how many people have given it a Google plus one. One thing I want to mention is that, as you can see, I'm recording this in a small window and it makes the view a bit cramped. If you have this same issue, if you're looking at SECockpit in a small window or on a small screen, remember that you can first of all resize all of these columns if you need to, and you can also, just like in the keyword list columns, you can get a drop down menu and activate or deactivate columns, okay, to clean this up if need be. Alright, now about these social signals. As you can see, we record these numbers and we also have color coding. Basically anything below 100 will be green, from 100 to 500 will be yellow, and anything above 500 will be red. There are two ways in which this can be useful. The first is that we know that Google is starting to pay more and more attention to social signals in determining the rankings of web pages. And sometimes you'll see high-ranking pages that don't seem to have that much going on for them in terms of Moz rank, authority, and number of backlinks, but then you see that they've been tweeted a lot or shared a lot, and that might be the reason why they're ranking where they're ranking. The other thing is, for niche research, to kind of find out what really interests people in a niche, this can be very, very useful. So for example, here on this page we have an example of one of these articles has been shared on Facebook and liked on Facebook an amazing amount of times, and this is a dog training keyword, so if I had a site in the dog training niche, I would definitely go and look at this link to see this article and see what this is about, because clearly whatever's written here is resonating with people to an extreme degree that they're sharing it by the thousands on Facebook. That's not often that you see these kind of numbers. And same thing when you're doing keyword research and you look at these details and you see that a certain article has been shared or tweeted or Google plus like crazy, I highly recommend you go and look at that, because clearly there are hints in there of what you can deliver to your niche that truly interests them. Alright, then the final note on these values here is that we currently don't include the social signals in our competition evaluation. So our competition calculation, basically this orange bar here, is based on all of the SEO metrics, all right, all of these metrics, but not on the social signals. And the main reason for that is that we simply don't know, how exactly Google is weighing these social signals, how important they each are for ranking. So for now, we're sticking to the formula that has served us very well, and is still serving us very well. It's still working very, very well. And we're using the SEO metrics only for the competition calculation.